And action.
You swam the moat.
We tried to stop her, but she wouldn't wait for the drawbridge.
You swam the moat.
She was determined to arrive as soon as possible. We had to get a rope and pull her out.
You swam the moat.
All right, I was a little anxious. My friend Sir Harry, he told me you had an opening for a princess. Any princess. So I thought, the early bird. Anyway, here I am. Who's the lucky man? Someone's being bashful. That's no way to be. Not with me. Can't you see that I am just as embarrassed as you? And I can understand your point of view. I've always been shy. I confess that I'm shy. Can't you guess that this confident air is a mask that I wear? 'Cause I'm shy, and you made me sure. Way down deep I'm demure. Though some people I know might deny it, at bottom I'm quiet and pure. I'm aware that it's wrong to be meek as I am. My chances may pass me by. I pretend to be strong, but as weak as I am, all I can do is try. God knows I try, though I'm frightened and shy. And despite the impression I give, I confess that I'm living a lie, because I'm actually terribly timid and horribly shy. Though a lady may be dripping with glamour, as often as not she will stumble and stammer when suddenly confronted with romance. And she's likely to fall on her face when she's finally face to face with a pair of pants. Quite often the lady's not as hard to please as she seems. Quite often she'll settle for something less than a man of her dreams. I'm going fishing for a mate. I'm gonna look in every brook. But how much longer must I wait with bated breath and hope? And that is why, though I'm painfully shy, I'm insane to no which, sir, you, sir, then who, sir, where, sir, and when, sir. I couldn't be tenser, so let's get this done, man. Get on with the fun, man. I am one man shy.
Cut. We got it.